made it to Disneyland. Today's special though because it's raining and we're with our friends today. So it's gonna be a cool trip. We're waiting for them to get their tickets and then we're gonna head to California Adventure first and do Toy Story.
Which they're gonna lose, definitely.
Yeah, Kevin's never been on it and Shayna's, how many times has Shayna? Shayna's pretty experienced, but Kevin's not. So yeah, the weather is gorgeous. As you can see, it's very cloudy and sprinkling. So hopefully the park doesn't get too crowded today. And yeah, we're here for 2 days. We're staying at the Stanford Inn. It's a different hotel than we usually stay at. Shayna booked it. The Anaheim Majestic Garden Inn was all booked up. So that's the one that we decided on. And what else?
No major plans,
yeah,
just
that's
ride.
It. Pretty excited.
Oh, and I got a camera too.
Yeah,
so.
he got a camera. I've been trying to get him to vlog, but I don't think he wants to.
Not yet.
He's just gonna take pictures. What camera is it?
Sony a5000. It's okay. I wouldn't recommend it.
So the weather, it was supposed to rain like all day today and all day tomorrow. So we got ponchos from Amazon. They're like intense ponchos that go all the way down and they button up. And the hood has like a bill on it. It's like a plastic thing that covers your head. And yeah, it's in my backpack, but I don't think we're gonna have the chance to wear them because it's not really raining. But I really wanna wear it, so I'll probably use any excuse to put it on. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing.
Make sure you get my good side. Cheese.
We're heading back to the hotel. It is 2:50. Check-in's at 3. Mickey. Means you're going home. Same. How's the bathroom?
Look at this freaking thing.
This shit looks like it.
Look right here.
This is such a big mirror. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And there's another mirror right here.
Well, the closet.
And Mickey.
Hi.
Oh, what's that?
Hi, Dad. Deke?
This shit looks all tight.
You better throw us some freaking Disney gift cards.
The
Some beef
TV.
jerky. I want some beef jerky.
A couple Sundays.
We're back in Disneyland. We're headed to go get food right now. I think we're going to Cafe New Orleans because it's really cold and soup sounds good. Same. Same.
What?
Disneyland be looking magical as fuck right now. personal purse holders.
Can't wait to get that red.
That sauce life. Would you stay the night in here for $5?
Yeah. $5.
I probably would. It was a joke.
Hey, 100.
I don't like that one. He's scary. Let's see if we get
They
him.
have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you...
No! I don't like him.
Inside the buggy all time. Thank you.
Órale, vato.
Dumbo.
Dumbo, dog.
About to go up. Oh, it's not going up. There you go.
We got a fast pass for Star Wars, but it's gonna take like 2 hours. So we're hitting up Sephora.
Get slow.
It's day 2 of Disneyland. Last time I talked to you guys, I was going to Sephora. Let me show you what I got. First thing, I got the Professional Primer, but the Matte Rescue one. I didn't even know that they had this, but the more matte, the better. I tried that today. I like it so far. I got House of Lashes glue, and then I got this Sephora lash applicator. Yeah, we're going to Disneyland again, but Shayna is sick. She's like deaf in one ear and extremely congested. So I'm not sure how long we're gonna be there for. We had free breakfast at our hotel, and they're checking out right now. So hopefully we get to do a lot of shit today. Huh, babe?
Mm-hmm. What'd I say?
What do you mean?
Well, you're pointing at me for a long time. Hi. Smells like fart.
Do it. Dude! Not bad. What do you want me to do? But dang it. Can't even tell. I know.
15-minute wait.
Yes. I'm getting that. Mushroom.
Looks like water, dude.
Ew.
Hi.
Nah.
That's the vegan burger.
Wait, let me see it.